Today, I'm using a one-of-a-kind and most realistic airsoft rifle. This is the German Kar 98K. It's full metal and real wood. The wood was cut by yours truly, and all the metal is 100% CNC'd. It runs off of gas, not spring or AEG. This way, it would be more compact and dead silent. Anyways, here's some gun ASMR and how it actually functions. Anyways, if you guys want to see some gameplay with this at 12th Street Airsoft, please hit that like button and subscribe. As you know, it helps out a ton. And thanks for watching.